Alright guys, so we're going to be doing a tea bag racket. So, first of all, you need to open these, but always have adult supervision.
Alright guys, we're going to be doing a tea bag racket. So the first step to this is to cut these open. I'm going to use scissors, but always have adult supervision. I have 2 adults here when you do this. I'm going to pick that one up in a second. So let me line these up and slice. This stuff in. That's number 1. I'm going to put that down there. Number 2. So we're going to be saving the tea to make a nice tea later. But that's not the point. We're going to be lining these up and lighting them on fire and shooting them all the way up in the sky. Alright guys, so while my mom lines these up, I'm going to read about why this happens. So, why does the tea racket fly up into the air? When you set fire to a tea bag, the heat from the fire causes the air molecules inside the tea bag to become energized and move around quickly. The air molecules inside the tea bag are moving so fast that they spread up and out of the tea bag, causing it to fly up in the air. Alright guys, now that they're all set up, we're going to have my mom light them on fire. I'm going to stand back all the way over there and watch them fly. Alright, so now we're going to be lighting them on fire. Too good? That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. Some people do those in the house, but they flew really high. So I'm glad we did them outside. So that is unfortunately the end of today's episode.
Okay.
All right, so my mom fell over, so I have to redo this. That is unfortunately the end of today's episode. So like and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye.